Good morning, friends. My name is Evelyn Joy and welcome back to my channel. I'm making a quick breakfast for my family. We're going to make kind of eggs with some diced tomatoes and beans mixed in, and then we're going to fry up some of these tortillas and we're going to make breakfast burritos. I opened and drained the cans and I put 6 eggs mixed up in there. I'm not going to use the full can, I'm just going to use a portion, like half of it. Same with half of it. Okay, I'm gonna mix it up. I'm using some garlic salt. You see the letter W, honey? The beans and tomato, the other half of the can, I put together. I'm going to save it in the refrigerator. I'm going to mix it with rice and use some chili powder seasoning for lunch for this.